Hi everyone. So today we are going to see the revised exam pattern for the NATA 2020 examination. Now, as all of us are aware that because of the COVID-19 pandemic, the NATA exam which was to be conducted in the month of April has been postponed to the month of August. So let's see what has exactly changed in this exam. So the new date for the NATA exam is 29th August 2020. This, the date for the second attempt will be declared later by the Council of Architecture. Now what has changed in the pattern is that part A was drawing test earlier on, but now it has been converted into a PTQ, which will be a preferential type question test. The details of PTQ will be given in a separate video later. Now part B, which was originally to be conducted as per the existing rules, will remain same as per the old format. This very important change has happened in the new one, that is the candidate will be able to attempt the test from his residence, or he will be given a choice to attempt from the exam center. The candidates will be provided an option in their respective login accounts to opt for the preference for the examination for NATA this year. The new registrations for NATA 2020 will be open till 12th of August 2020 midnight. Now, what has changed in this year's exam? So, the pattern for part A, so that is the PTQ test. So, in that, basically, all these points will be tested. So, first is understanding visual principles in a composition. So, 2-dimension and 3-dimension, such as rhythm, direction, hierarchy, etc. Then, the understanding of basic geometry and the ability to visualize shape and to solve geometric puzzles. So, this part has been included in part A now. Then color theory and various terms which are related to it, and the visual system interpretation. Now the next few points which have been included in part A are that the perception to test graphical similarities and other properties of say objects, then understanding spatial relationship between objects, visualize images and scenarios, and cognitive ability. So in this they have included perception, attention, recognition, then memory, etc. Now this table has been taken from the NATA 2020 brochure, and here you can clearly see that part B will be conducted as the first part for 45 minutes from 10 am to 10:45 am, in which there will be the total of 50 questions. So out of which the first 15 questions will be for PCM group, and they will be multiple choice questions. So they will be having a weightage of 1.5 marks each. And the next, the remaining questions, which are the 35 questions, will be based on general aptitude and logical reasoning. So they will be again marked for 1.5 marks each. Now in both these tests, there will be no negative marking. So the students are expected to solve all the questions. So irrespective of whether they know the answer or not. The total marks which are allotted for part B is 75. Now there will be an intermission period of 3 minutes, that is from 10:45 am to 10:48 am between part B and part A. And in the second half, part A will be conducted, which will be having a time of 72 minutes. So total 125 marks will be allotted to part A. The exam will take place between 10:48 am to 12 noon. Now in this, here there will be a cognitive skills test. So which will have a PTQ, that is preferential type question. So there will be one question of 17 marks for 12 minutes. Then PTQ again, so here there will be 3 questions into 16 marks for 12 minutes each. And here there will be 6 MCQ questions for 10 marks each. So this will be the pattern for part A. Now the first session to be conducted at place of residence, stay or of the candidates only. So this will be the first session starting from 10 am to 12 noon. Now immediately followed with this will be the second session. So the candidate will be given the option of which session he wants to attend the exam in. Now these are some of the important dates which the students have to remember till they get the NATA results. So the starting of online form fill up has been extended from 25th July to 12th August. So basically 12th August is the last date of registration of this NATA exam. The image uploads are allowed till 12th August. Fee payment is allowed till 12th August. The confirmation page printing is again available till 12th August. And here there is a candidate correction window. So if there is any issue in filling the form, the student will be able to correct his credentials between 25th July to 12th August in this candidate correction window. The admit card will be published on the 22nd of August. The date and time of examination has been given as follows, that is 10 AM to 12 noon, and the second session will be from 12:30 PM to 2:30 PM. So either of the sessions the student has to choose to attempt for the exam. Now the results of this first attempt will be out on 3rd September 2020. So all these details will be also available in the NATA 2020 revised brochure. Now like if you want to join our course, so we have a crash course for you which is starting from the 1st of August up till 1 day prior to the NATA exam. So you can call us on the numbers provided below to get more details about the crash course. So we'll be conducting in-depth practice for all the points mentioned in the first few slides. So these are the highlights of our course. So in which we are going to provide you study material. We are also going to give you practice tests and also going to take revision of all the topics which are going to come in the exam. So these are our details, that is contact details. So for admissions, you can call on these numbers. You can visit our website also. And for any queries, for the simplest of the queries, you can mail us at architectsacademy@gmail.com. So to watch more videos related to NATA exam, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our Instagram account, which is Architects Academy 5, and our Facebook page. Thank you.